again and good evening from Tamale. So this is the night before and I am going to a place where they prepare the world famous porridge. The same way people are crazy over coffee in the morning, that's how people are crazy over this beverage in the mornings here in the northern part of Ghana and in the entire Ghana as a whole. This breakfast is so famous that it has gone viral across the country and it's consumed everywhere. But you know you cannot beat the originators of the food, right? So thankfully we are here today in Tamale. I'm going to show you how the famous breakfast is prepared. I'm not going to tell you the name yet. It's a porridge, let's put it that way. The ingredients contain millet, corn flour if you like, maize, different kinds. People use different ingredients to make their own type of this beverage. And one interesting fact about this beverage is that you can find it across Africa, just with slight variations in the ingredients or in the preparation method. So you want to see it, right? The first part of this step is that you have to go and grind your ingredients. Whatever your grain of preference, you have to blend it. And because it's a breakfast meal, it has to be done the night before so that the first thing tomorrow morning, very early, we'll go and we'll start preparing. So finally, after the whole process of making this amazing cocoa, it is ready. As you can see in my hand, I have a little here. It has a slightly reddish color because of the millet that was used. Usually in the capital city, it's plain, like almost whitish in color. I feel like this will be more rich and tasty, so you can try it out and I'll let you know what I think. And oh, by the way, it smells so yummy. Like, wow, this is so good. It literally reminds me of the similar porridge we have back home called pap or akamu. Wow. However, this one is spicy and very rich. No wonder this is so famous across the country. This is a staple everywhere around Ghana. You find this very early in the morning, and it's perfect for kids, it's perfect for adults, all ages, and it's quite filling, which is why I really love it. And even pair it with a local snack called koshey. Very lovely. Wow, I rate this 10 over 10, guys. If you ever find yourself in Ghana, make sure you try Hausa cocoa. All right, let me take you to the next place. I know you want to see more.
Kanafre musulo kanang de chante nya nkana te gente ne la ban ya harman nang de nang ma kanang ka te karmiwe dimiwe kan to di miha kanang ko mi ma jela nang kanang ko bulbul ko ba karche kan kwa karbla miha la kanang Karinya, kan karta, karpira, kan pai, karipsil kuahbo. So the meba I laugh. Jin that near Jammy Koko. One to my high lecca batting me kakumna bao. Adama do gumdama. Inten nari yellow comes out in woman. So can do an bibia kaisi, nan changda. And the Jalab. أقوى كشما من كونا مع العرباء كشيب جلما أدنى به جعنا كاسلنا جعنا دم بقاسمة ين شاني كان 23 شاني 15 شاني 10 كم أني بجع كم نند سو سلما شو دايما كان دابنا يبجع كان نسمو كان نسلم دوني يسكننا.
My name is Aisha. Koshey is what I do daily, and making koshey is very easy and it's not more stressful because I do it only in the morning, so in the afternoon I go to take my rest. Koshey gives me extra income to support the family. Koshey is very healthy and nutritious for children, but not infants, because of pepper is inside. Infants cannot take it, but children can take it, and it takes so long in this, for it to digest. And it's good for vegetarians. And I make more income from it. I can make for about 30 cedis, 40 cedis, and 50 cedis. It depends on the quantity I use. It's very delicious, so I don't walk around with it. I just stay at one place and people patronize it. Even pedestrians have to buy it.
So you heard everything directly. I mean, it's such a beautiful thing to see the oneness and communal living, and also she's helping her mom out. That's the beauty about the African society. Everything is passed down from one generation to the next. So if your mom is a seamstress, you definitely learn from her. If your dad is a farmer, you definitely learn from him. And with that, we're able to keep and preserve our culture and our heritage as a people. That's why the African culture is so strong. Years and decades on, precious core values still running through our society. This is so beautiful to watch, and I love the fact that she enjoys what she's doing. She doesn't feel stressed, she doesn't feel anxious. So happy to be here and just to enjoy, you know, the life, the everyday life of a normal person right here in the north. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and share with your friends. And of course, I will see you in my next one. Bye.